Hi, so good afternoon. So, Onestop Cultural Tour in the house, and today I'm at one of my favourite beaches here in Jamaica. I'm not even going to tell you where this is, but if I just show you this, you can tell me. See if you can tell me in the comments where I am. And it's, you know, it's lovely and quiet here. It's always quiet here. It costs 750 Jamaican dollars to come in. If you'd like to hire a chair, it's going to cost you £500 Jamaican, $500 Jamaican. And there's two sides to this beach. You can actually go over the other side as well and go for a walk. But yeah, have a look at this. Look at this. It is so quiet here. It's a handful of people here. They're quiet, they're reading. Yeah. But I'm actually going to take off these glasses. I'm going to go for a swim. Then after that, I'm actually going to go and get some food. Do lovely seafood here. So yeah, what can I say about this beautiful island of Jamaica? Yeah, tell me where I am. Here it is. What is there not to love about Jamaica?